Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Claude Code 429 rate limit error. First, slow down your request when using Claude AI code by avoiding rapid or repeated commands, and add a short delay between each request so you don't hit the rate limit too quickly. Next, add retry with delay, which is one of the best fixes, by modifying your code so that if a request fails with a 429 error, it automatically waits a few seconds and tries again, instead of sending multiple requests instantly. Then, reduce your request size by avoiding very large prompts and break tasks into smaller chunks. For example, instead of asking to analyze an entire 10,000 line project, you can ask to analyze one file at a time, which reduces the load and prevents limits. After that, use sufficient prompts by keeping them short and specific, and avoid adding unnecessary instructions, because this helps reduce API usage and improves response speed. Now consider upgrading your plan if you hit limits often, since free or lower tiers usually have strict limits, while paid tiers offers higher rate limits and smoother performance through untraffic. Finally, check your API usage and limits regularly by monitoring how many requests your app is sending, and make sure you don't have loops or background scripts repeatedly calling the API, as is a common reason for hitting the 429 rate limit error. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.